In 2023, 68% of shoppers intended to buy online through Black Friday sales. If you are not participating in the Black Friday market, you are missing out on a lot of money. Last year, I made about $34,000 on Black Friday alone by offering something of value to my audience. And I'm not selling some high ticket course. I have a course, it's $297. I'm a guitar teacher, and I made this video just to show people that it is totally possible, and I want to go through some of the marketing and stats to help you have a better Black Friday promotion this year. But something very, very important I want to make a note of, you do not have to offer a steep discount on your product. That's how most people do Black Friday offers. They give 30% off, 40% off, 50% off. What we're going to do is give the illusion of giving someone half off or a big discount. What I do instead is I leverage my course, my flagship program, and I add other things to it to provide value. So first, let's start off with the offer. So my main course, this is my flagship course. I make 80% of my money through this course. All right, so I never discount it because it's worth every single penny. Okay, and that course is $297. Now, I do have some other secondary courses that I sell that I don't really make a lot of money off of, but they're there for students who graduate the main program and want to continue on and do some other stuff. So for my Black Friday offer, what I do is I offer my flagship program and I give them 2 additional courses. So essentially this allows me to say, hey, get 3 courses for the price of 1. Okay, so that's a great psychology of marketing. If you give people 3 courses for the price of 1, that's awesome. Now these other courses, so my main course, just in full transparency, is about 70 lessons and it's probably about 90 play along tracks. So it's a pretty massive course. The other 2, one of them is 23 lessons and I think the other is 18. So they're probably about 40 lessons in total. So they're not even as big as my flagship course. And again, that's why I never discount it. The other thing that I have is kind of like a throwaway is I do have a private community. Okay, for you, this could be a free Facebook group. It could be an online community. So I use Kajabi and I do use their community program. And I tell people, hey, if you buy during Black Friday, not only are you going to get 2 courses, you're going to get a full year of support. Okay, and I never offer that any other time in the year except for Black Friday. This is my best offer for the entire year. So if they don't buy now, they are seriously going to miss out. The offer is so good that they would be stupid to not buy it. And that's what we're trying to do with the offers. We're trying to create this no-brainer. Okay, you got to do this. I don't even use a landing page to sell my Black Friday offer. I just sell directly through emails. All right, and all they do, they click on a link, it goes to a checkout. I don't even send people to a landing page. I send them directly to the checkout. In the emails, I have the breakdown of what the offer is. But again, it should be so good that I don't really have to do that much convincing to get them to buy. Now you might be asking, Lauren, how many emails do I have to send out to actually promote my Black Friday offer or any offer? If you're doing a launch, you can use the same thing. I usually send out 1 email on Monday, which is just kind of announcing the offer, letting people know that I have something on the table for them, what's included. Then on Wednesday, I send out another email with some frequently asked questions. For example, people want to know if I'm left-handed because I'm right-handed. They're like, can I take this? You know, how does it work? How long do I have access to the materials in the course? So you can put some of your FAQs. So you can see I'm kind of taking my landing page and I'm putting it into the emails. And that's how I sell through the email. So people, they get enough information. This email's for your analytical people who need more information. The first one's for the people who just want to buy right away. Okay, and that's like 3% of people. Then the third one gives them some more information. We always tell them, if you have any questions, just respond to this email and we will get back to you. Okay, that's Wednesday. Thursday's obviously Thanksgiving. A lot of people are busy, so I don't send anything out on Thursday. Then Friday, I send out 2 emails. I send an email out in the morning saying, hey, less than 24 hours left, and all of these emails have a countdown timer, right? And I do that in Kajabi. You can count down so that they see that the clock is ticking away, okay? And this is the last day to get this offer. So I send them out, you know, something first thing in the morning, probably around like 10 a.m. I say, hey, there's less than 24 hours left. Grab the course right now. Then I usually send another email later in the day when there's only 6 hours left. And I say, this is your last call. This is the last chance. And usually that first email on Friday, I'll add a bunch of testimonials. So I'll be like, hey, if you're on the fence, this is what other people have said about the course. This is the success people are having. Okay, so first one is just the information. What is the actual offer? 2 is the frequently asked questions. I'm also showing them again, this is what's included in the offer. Then I have the morning email where I'm like, here's a bunch of testimonials. Here's the social proof that this worked. And then 6 hours left, I'm like, this is the last call. Here's the offer again, very short email, maybe one little testimonial to just show again that there's social proof. You have to buy now. This timer's ticking down, less than 6 hours left, grab it now. And Black Friday is always the biggest day. We tend to do twice as many sales on Black Friday as we do on Wednesday or Thursday, just because it's that scarcity, the people who have the fear of missing out. So once you have a great offer, the next thing is the marketing strategy, okay? So you need to use all your social media platforms, but the best one is email. All right, if you are not growing your email list, you need to start right now. Okay, the majority of the money that I made over the week of Black Friday was all email promotion. Okay, I do run a few Facebook ads, some retargeting ads, but the majority of the sales that came through from my Black Friday was done through email promotion. This promotion is only offered through email. They cannot get it through their website. So that also creates an extra level of scarcity. You can only get it through the email offer. And scarcity in sales is very important. That's why you want to have a cutoff on your marketing. Hey, this ends midnight on Friday. If you lose out, you will never see this offer again. And they won't, because I only offer it once a year. And chances are, if they've seen it once, they're not going to see it again the next year. So let's talk about numbers, because I'm big on numbers. So in general, if you have an email list, you're going to be promoting to your active email list. Okay, so even me, I probably have 40, 50,000 people on my mailing list, but only anywhere from 5 to 7,000 at a time are active. That means people who've interacted with my emails in the last 90 days. If they get past that 90-day point, they almost become a dead contact. Are there exceptions to the rules? Absolutely. I've done some testing even with my Black Friday offer. So last year, I think we sold almost 200 courses on Black Friday, and maybe 2 or 3 of those came from my passive audience, people who hadn't interacted with my brand, 90 to 180 days. It was so bad that I don't even do offers to my passive group anymore, just the active group. So that's why you got to keep building this email list so that it grows. So let's talk about the stats and the numbers here. I got them here. So if you have a mailing list of 1,000 people, you should expect to convert, if you have a good offer, you should expect to convert in the 1 to 3%. If it's a good offer, 2 to 3%, okay? So if you have 1,000 people on your mailing list, you could expect, anywhere from 10 to 30 sales. Okay, so that's 1 to 3%. So now if you add that number up and you get 5,000 active people on your mailing list, you could expect 50 to 150 sales. So you can see how the number scales and grows the bigger your mailing list is. So I went and looked at my numbers last year, and we sold 178 courses off of a mailing list of about 6,750 people. So we were converting at 2.6%. So it's a great offer. It should convert well. And you can see that marketing is a numbers game. Okay, so if you're like, Lauren, I don't have a big mailing list left. I only have like maybe 100, 200 people on my list. Still send out an offer, make sales when you can, but you're gonna have to leverage all of your other social media. I'll go live on YouTube and be like, hey, I have a special offer on my email list. Go sign up for my email list to make sure you get that special offer. So don't be afraid during the month of November to go live on YouTube, go live on Facebook, go live on Instagram. Let people know, hey, I have this offer. If you want access to it, go sign up for my email list. Now, what I do is I have a free course. I offer people a free crash course in guitar, and I say, hey, sign up for the free course, get on the mailing list, and now you'll know what the promotion is. And not only that, you'll get a free course out of it. And that's what I teach people in my course, Blueprint Mastery, is how to really leverage something that's free, leveraging YouTube, leveraging a free course to get people on this mailing list, because that's where you're gonna make so much money. I make a lot of money here on YouTube with my guitar lessons as well, but a good portion of my money comes through the email list. So if you're not building your email list, I highly recommend you start doing that today. So if you're a course creator and you're looking to try and leverage and grow your brand online so that you can sell more courses, definitely check out my free training. I will put a link in the description below. I'll show you what I do to leverage platforms like YouTube, my website, and email marketing to make money off of online courses. Go check that out in the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys real soon.